Hi everyone, welcome at Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you a really nice design. We're going to use this as a base and we're going to use one of my favorite flowers, the peony. You can see them already standing here. Beautiful intense color, huge flower that opens up really nice. I'm going to play with them later on. First we're going to work on the base. So what I've done is I have this really cool container and I have a piece of chicken wire fence connected to it by drilling small holes and insert the wire into the container. This makes it really solid and strong. And I have some floral foam, oasis foam inside. So now it's time to cover the piece of wire, the chicken mesh wire, and we're going to do that with the cotiness. So I'm using the chicken wire basically to wave the material through. So the nice thing of materials like this, grasses, green materials, is that when we use spray glue, we can create cool structures. We go through the chicken wire, inserting it into the floral foam, creating a nice movement around the base. And by putting the vines also a little bit on the container, you're breaking also a little bit the heaviness of the container. Look at that really vibrant color, very strong, powerful, nice clean cut. And very simply, we're going to use them in this case, because a flower like this doesn't need a lot. I'm just going to arrange it almost in a simple round bouquet. And of course, when they open up a little bit more, it gets more volume here, so it balances out with the volume here. If you like, you can add another beautiful vine to go a little bit in between the flowers, connecting it even more. And then we have a really cool peony design. I think it's very nice. I'm very happy with the structure, the movement, and then that really intense, powerful color on top. So I hope you enjoy this technique. I hope you enjoy these flowers. And of course, we hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.